Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can use Donna AI. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, you just gotta go to Play Store like this on your device. And once you head over to your Play Store, you just gotta go ahead and search up Donna AI, and here as you can see I already have it downloaded, so I'm just gonna open it up. Once you open up Donna AI, it's just gonna look something like this after logging in. Now first up, you gotta describe your song, what kind of song you want. So I'm just gonna type in sad, dreamy song with chill vibes, and something like this. You just gotta give it a, you know, like a description. After that, you just gotta go ahead and select the mood. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this one right here, and then you can choose the genre as well. So for genre, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose indie, and then you always got advanced options, so you can just name the song as well. So I'm just gonna type in something random, and then you gotta choose your vocal gender. It's it can be a male, female, or random. Just gonna choose random, and then your recording option. You just gotta go ahead and choose what kind of recording you want. Either you want a live or studio. I'm just gonna go ahead and press studio. After that, just press on create with description, and now the AI will do its job. And here as you can see, it says we'll let you know once it's done, and the song creation is in progress. So you just gotta go ahead and press notify me, and now the song is in progress. So once the song is done, you can just simply go ahead and play it, and it will, it will be the same song as your description. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.